This is an electric handpiece made by B&R, which is a firm in Switzerland, and many of the dental schools have these available for dentists to use. Good thing about an electric handpiece is that the sound is significantly less. This particular product has a 52 decibel level. On the other hand, in comparison, is the air-driven handpiece, which has air allowing it to let the drill work, is significantly noisier at 70 decibels. "70 decibels is significantly louder, and it allows, over time, it's possible to have more hearing loss for the dentist. You would wonder perhaps why a dentist would use the air-driven one versus the electric, and a lot of it has to do with either cost or not knowing that it's available. The nice thing about the electric handpiece is that the torque and speed of the drill is easily changed by either a little knob or a digital area that you can press the button and you can actually see how fast it's going, and the dentist is able to use it in such a way to refine the preps and drill almost like a paintbrush exactly where they would like to go, and the fit of the crowns are really very nice. On the other hand, the air-driven handpiece is, the speed is determined by the rheostat, where the person is stepping on it typically, and it's more or less a one-speed device, which means it's fast. You can try and adjust it, but as you let it go less and less, it's harder to use. So typically it's fast speed all the way, and it's not able to do the same type of refinement. There are dentists that are very good doing it this way. That's what they've been taught. But as compared to the electric handpiece, which allows the dentist to regulate the speed and it's softer, truly is a significant difference in an upgrade. Most patients don't realize that there is a difference, but truly it would be something that you should encourage your dentists for their own health, hearing, and also for the idea of having preparations be better so that the crowns or veneers or whatever is being done in your mouth actually fits a little bit better. Because as things fit better, there's the bigger chance of it lasting for many, many years.